In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Start by opening an app called Files that's already on your OPPO. When you're ready, click on those three lines at the top left corner and hit Clean at the top. Then select Clean under Junk Files and hit Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!